Hi, Ryan here with BusinessOwnerMortgages.com from Bond Street Mortgage, here with a bank statement only mortgage case study. Going to talk about a recent mortgage that we did where there were only bank statements involved, no tax returns. First off, the type of business involved was a marketing business. So the person had a marketing business. Their credit was okay. It wasn't awesome. It was just above 680, but it was good enough. And the rate they ended up getting was in the mid sevens. Now you might think, well, this is higher than what's out there in the market, but remember, these are a little more creative. They're designed for business owners who don't have the traditional inside of the box tax returns and stories. So mid sevens, a lot of the people doing these loans are very happy to get a rate because otherwise they wouldn't be able to get a mortgage and buy a home or investment property. The challenge in this case was that the borrower had business deposits flowing through their personal bank accounts and then was transferring some of the money to the business bank account to pay bills. So it was a little bit difficult distinguishing the personal from the business income. Now, in most cases, you can use 100, in a lot of cases, you can use 100% of bank deposits with a letter from your CPA, or you can use up to 50% if you don't have that CPA letter. So if you're thinking to yourself, well, how much of my revenue can I use? Well, that's the rule. It's usually 50% or 100%, depending on your situation. So just look at what's the average of flowing into your business bank account and then figure it out from there. So the deal ended up closing. There were no tax returns involved. It was based totally on the income flowing into personal and business accounts, and it was able to get done, albeit at a little higher rate. We had a very happy customer who's now able to buy a home. And we know that business owners tend to be a little more responsible than the rest. They're taking on more risk, but these in general, these are people who, work hard, and it's very rewarding to be able to help them get these kind of mortgages. Anyway, the takeaway, if you want to use a bank statement only program, try to keep your business and personal separate. In this case, it made it a little bit more challenging, but we can figure it out. But it'd be good if you just start good accounting processes, keep that money separate. And if you're ready to get started, if you have any questions about this, just head on over to businessownermortgages.com or bondstreetmortgage.com. Get in touch with us, and we'd be happy to explain in further detail how these programs might work for your unique business and your situation.